Good morning, children. Till now we have completed the maths work of chapter 4 up to page 31. Now we start with page 32. These sums are also of addition. You need to complete all the sums on pages 32 and 33 as your homework. We are doing the sums of first line of page 32 and 33 as classwork here. So look at blackboard. 5 plus 3 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Next, 2 plus 7, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. Last sum of the first line, 5 and 2, 7. 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. Here it is 5 only. Then 8. Rest of the questions of pages 32 and 33 are to be done by you as homework, and the answer sheet of pages 32 and 33 will be given in the next class. Now there are story sums on page number 34. First sum is, a toy shop has 150 cars and 101 trains. It has 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. How many dolls does the shop have? The number of cars and trains together can be obtained by 150 by adding 150 with 101. The answer is 251. Now we see that the number of cars and trains together is 251. The number of dolls is 45 more than the number of cars and trains together. Therefore, the number of dolls is 45 plus 251, or we can write all the numbers and then add. 150, 101 and 45. 6, 9, 2. तो मैं तो कंटिन्यू. Answer. The shop has 296 dolls. Question number 2. For the first show of a circus, 473 tickets were sold. For the second show, 525 tickets were sold. What was the total number of tickets sold? Total number of tickets sold is equal to the sum of tickets sold for first show and the tickets sold for second show, that is 473 and 525. 3 plus 5, 8, 9, 9. The total number of tickets sold was, answer is, the total number of tickets sold was 998. A cobbler mended 23 shoes on Monday, 34 shoes on Tuesday and 22 shoes on Wednesday. How many shoes did he mend in all? The total number of shoes mended by cobbler is equal to the number of shoes mended on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. 23, 34 and 22. 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. The cobbler mended 79 shoes in all. Question number 4. Meenakshi is 7 years old. Her brother is 11 years old. Their mother's age is 21 years more than the sum of their ages. How old is their mother? To find the age of their mother, we need to add the sum of ages of Meenakshi and her brother and add 21 to it. 7 plus 11 plus 21. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9 and 3. Now the answer is Meenakshi's mother's age is 39 years. Question number 5. In a school, the girls planted 232 saplings. The boys planted 156 more saplings than the girls did. How many saplings did the boys plant? The number of saplings planted by boys can be obtained by adding 156 to the number of saplings planted by girls. 232 and 156. 8, 8, 3. The answer is number of saplings planted by boys is the number of saplings planted by boys is 388. Question number 6. Mr. Ganeshan bought 400 blue bulbs. Mr. Ganeshan bought 400 blue bulbs, 260 red bulbs and 125 yellow bulbs on Diwali. How many bulbs did he buy altogether? Bulbs Mr. Ganeshan bought. The number of bulbs Mr. Ganeshan bought altogether can be obtained by adding the number of blue, red and yellow bulbs bought by him. That is 400, 260 and 125. 5, 8, 7. Answer: total bulbs bought is by him is 785. Question number 7. A milk van was carrying 4,235 packets of toned milk and 1,260 packets of flavored milk. How many packets was it carrying altogether? The total number of milk packets the milk van was carrying is equal to the sum of number of packets of toned milk and flavored milk. 1,260. The answer is total number of milk packets is 5,495. Now sum number 8. Question number 8. The florist flower seller bought 1,240 pink roses, 1,135 yellow roses and 1,510 white roses. How many roses did he buy in total? The total number of roses bought by the florist is equal to sum of pink, yellow and white roses. One 1,510. Add all these three lines. The answer is the total number of roses bought by florist is 3,885. Now we will do exercise 4E, page 36, subtraction. Subtract. We have to subtract 6 from 9. When we subtract 6 from 9, we get 3. And here we have to subtract 3 from 15. For subtracting it, you can write these numbers in the format. Subtract 3 from 5, 2 and 1. The answer is 12. Now make the sum again. Subtract 7 from 19. Here it is 2, 1. The answer is 12. Last sum of the first line is 26 minus 4. 2, 2. The answer is 22. 46 minus 12. 38. First we are writing the sums only. 38 minus 21. 47 minus 23. And the last sum of this line is 89 minus 65. So we will solve this like this. 46 minus 12. 4, 3. The answer is 34. Next sum is 38 minus 21. 7, 1. The answer is 17. Next, 47 minus 23. 24. 89 minus 65. 24. Complete the exercise 4E and exercise 4F, page 36 and 37 as homework. The answer sheet of pages 36 and 37 will be given in the next class. Now let's start solving story sums on page 38. Question number 1. Simi's mother is 31 years old. Her grandmother is 58 years old. What is the difference in age between them? The difference in age between Simi's grandmother and her mother can be obtained by subtracting Simi's mother's age from her grandmother's age. (58 minus 31). The answer is the difference in age between them The difference in age between them is 27 years. Question number 2. On Sunday, 57 children took the toy train ride at a park. On Monday, 25 less children took the ride. How many took the ride on Monday? The number of children who took the ride on Monday can be obtained by subtracting 25 from the number of children who took the ride on Sunday. (57 minus 25) 32. The number of children who took the ride on Monday is 32. Question number 3. India scored 124 runs more than Sri Lanka. If India scored 358 runs, how many runs did Sri Lanka score? The number of runs Sri Lanka scored can be obtained by subtracting 124 from the number of runs India scored. 358 minus 124. Sri Lanka scored 234 runs. Of the 956 students in a school, 523 play football. How many do not play football? The number of students who do not play football can be obtained by subtracting the number of students who played football from the total number of students. Number 4. 956 minus 523. The number of students who do not play football is 433. Question number 5. By how much is 87 greater than 72? To get the answer, there is a need to subtract 72 from 87. The answer is 15. Question number 6. By how much is 236 less than 496? 496, 236. The answer is 260. Question number 7. Arman scored 6,872 points in a game and Vivek scored 8,994 points. What was the difference between their scores? The difference between their score is 8994 minus 6872. Answer, difference between their score is, the difference between their score is 2122. Number 8. A baker has to bake 2850 cupcakes. If he has baked 1320 cakes, how many more does he have to bake? The number of cakes the baker has to bake can be obtained by subtracting 1320 from 2850. Three, 5, 1. He has to bake, or we can say the baker has to bake 1530 more cakes. Sushan and Raj reached the finals of a music contest. Sushan got question number 9. Suzanne and Raj reached the finals of a music contest. Suzanne got 6,278 votes and won by 155 votes. How many votes did Raj get? The number of votes Raj got can be obtained by subtracting 155 from the number of votes Suzanne got. Number of votes Raj got is 6,123. Children, page number 39, Math Gym is to be done as homework by you. The solution of this page will be given in the next class. Please complete your work sincerely.